Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. And many of us will have cough, and so I am going to show you a very quick and instant cough drink. It is very suitable for the cough, a dry cough or any cough that is due to phlegm or cold. Like for an example, I am been down with cold and now it has converted into cough, continuous cough as well. So for this I tried to make my own remedy and it worked. So I'm sharing the same remedy with you. So with this we need some ginger powder. I have 1.5 teaspoon of ginger. You can use from 1 teaspoon to 1.5 or half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. It depends on how spicy you would like to have your drink. And also I'm having 2 teaspoons of sugar, and I'll be using 1 teaspoon of honey. It is a very simple ingredient, and also the other ingredients is hot water, which I've already prepared boiled. And so for this we will begin. Dear viewers, I measured all my ingredients in this measuring spoon, and with that I am going to show you what am I going to do. So the ginger powder goes in first and followed by the sugar, and now we will pour the hot water. Give it a quick mix. And with this, we'll add 1 teaspoon of honey. And keep mixing it until the honey is melted. The honey is melted now, and we have to strain this. So in another mug with a fine sieve strainer, and we are going to strain this drink. And you will see some of the ginger powder will be there. So and whatever balance that was left in the mug, I'm just straining it off. And there we go, dear viewers, our instant ginger cough drink. So this would be helpful and very health beneficial. So do give a try. If you are suffering from cough, do give a try on this, which you will find some relief. And if you are still not sure about this, you may always consult your local doctor or your family doctor. So thank you very much for viewing this channel, and also thank you very much for those who have been there with me always, and also those who are new watching this channel, please do subscribe and click the like button. And so We will meet up in our next video. Till then, bye bye and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.